What if I told you that you could make your first $100 online in the next 24 hours using nothing but a free AI tool? Before we get started, check out the link in the description to download our ebook. Check out our Skool community for a step-by-step walkthrough on side hustles. There will be a new side hustle every week. There are currently 10 founding member spots for only $29 or £23. That means lifetime access for less than your weekly coffee spend. No special skills, no fancy equipment, just you, ChatGPT, and a simple system that people are using right now to get paid today. I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme or crypto nonsense. I'm talking about real money hitting your account before tomorrow ends. And the crazy part? Most people have no idea this opportunity even exists. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete step-by-step blueprint that you can start using within the next hour. So if you're tired of scrolling through videos that promise the world but deliver nothing, stick with me because this actually works. I'm here to show you how to turn AI into actual income. And I've been doing this for the past 2 years. I've tested dozens of side hustles, wasted money on courses that taught me nothing, and finally cracked the code on making money with AI tools like ChatGPT. And here's what I've learned. ChatGPT isn't just a cool tech toy. It's a money-making machine if you know how to use it. The reason this works so well right now is because businesses are desperate for content. Social media is consuming everything at lightning speed, and most people still don't know how to use AI effectively. That's where you come in. Last month, I helped a friend with zero experience make $300 in her first week just by following the exact steps I'm about to share with you. She was skeptical at first, but the money showed up in her PayPal account, and now she's hooked. That could be you in 24 hours. Let's be real for a second. Making money online sounds amazing. Until you actually try it, you've probably been there. You search for side hustles and find a million options. Dropshipping, print on demand, affiliate marketing, YouTube channels, and they all require one thing you don't have: time. Most side hustles take months to see results. You need to build an audience, create a website, invest hundreds or thousands of dollars upfront, and pray that it works. Meanwhile, you're stuck at a job that barely pays the bills, watching your bank account stay flat month after month. The frustration is real. You want to make extra money, but you don't have 6 months to wait for your first sale. You need something that works now. That's exactly why ChatGPT is different. It eliminates the biggest barriers to making money online. You don't need experience, you don't need technical skills, and most importantly, you don't need to wait months for results. You can literally start today and get paid today. Let me show you how. Alright, let's get into the meat of this. I'm going to walk you through 3 proven methods to make money with ChatGPT in the next 24 hours. These aren't theories. These are methods people are using right now to generate income. First up, freelance content writing. Businesses need content constantly. Blog posts, product descriptions, email newsletters, social media captions, and they're willing to pay for it. Here's how you do this fast. Go to Fiverr or Upwork right now. Create a simple profile. You don't need some fancy bio. Just say something like, I create high-quality blog posts and content for businesses using advanced AI tools. Fast turnaround, guaranteed. Then create a gig offering blog posts, starting at $20 to $30 for a 500-word article. When someone orders, you jump into ChatGPT. You give it a prompt like this. Write a 500-word blog post about the benefits of email marketing for small businesses. Make it engaging, include actionable tips, and write in a conversational tone. ChatGPT spits out the content in seconds. You read through it, make a few tweaks so it sounds natural and personalized, add some formatting, and boom, you've got a deliverable. The whole process takes maybe 20 minutes. If you land 2 or 3 clients in your first day, that's $60 to $90. And here's the key: speed. On Fiverr, if you offer 24-hour delivery, you rank higher in search results. So make that your advantage. People need content fast. You can deliver fast. That's money in your pocket today. Method 2 is selling AI prompt packages. This one blows people's minds because it's so simple. ChatGPT is only as good as the prompts you give it. Most people don't know how to write good prompts, so they get mediocre results. You can solve that problem and get paid for it. Here's what you do. Create a package of 20 to 50 ready-made ChatGPT prompts for a specific niche. Think social media managers, small business owners, Real estate agents, fitness coaches, for example, you could create a package called 30 ChatGPT prompts for real estate agents. Include prompts like, write a compelling property listing for a 3-bedroom house in a family-friendly neighborhood, or create 5 Instagram captions to promote an open house event. You spend maybe an hour putting together this package in a Google Doc or a simple PDF, then you sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, or even just post it on Twitter and Facebook groups. Price it at $10 to $20. It's a digital product, so once you create it, you can sell it over and over again with zero extra work. If you sell 5 of these in one day, that's $50 to $100, and you can create multiple packages for different niches. The best part? You're not trading time for money. You create it once, and it keeps making money. Method 3 is offering AI-powered social media management or content calendars. Small businesses and entrepreneurs are drowning in social media. They know they need to post consistently, but they don't have time to come up with content every single day. You can solve this problem in minutes using ChatGPT. Here's the play. Find local businesses on Instagram or Facebook that aren't posting regularly or their content looks weak. Send them a direct message or an email. Say something like, "Hey, I noticed you're not posting consistently on Instagram. I can create a full month of content for you, captions and post ideas for just $100. It'll save you hours and keep your audience engaged." When they say yes, you go to ChatGPT and prompt it. Create a 30-day social media content calendar for a coffee shop. Include engaging captions, hashtags, and post ideas for Instagram. Make the tone friendly and community-focused. ChatGPT generates everything in seconds. You format it nicely, maybe add some emojis, organize it in a spreadsheet, and deliver it. Total time investment, maybe 30 to 45 minutes. Total payout, $100. If you reach out to 10 businesses today, even if only one says yes, you've made money within 24 hours. And once you deliver great work, they'll come back for more every single month. That's recurring income. Let me give you 2 quick real-world examples of people making this work. First, there's a guy named Jake who started offering ChatGPT-powered email writing on Fiverr. He had 0 experience writing emails before, but he created a gig offering 5 professional business emails for $25. He got his first order within 3 hours of launching his profile. He used ChatGPT to write the emails, tweaked them slightly for tone, and delivered them in under an hour. The client left a 5-star review. That same week, he landed 8 more orders. That's $200 in his first week. Fast forward 3 months, and he's making over $1,000 a month just from that one Fiverr gig. Second example, a woman named Sarah created a ChatGPT prompt bundle for fitness coaches. She spent 2 hours on a Saturday afternoon writing 40 prompts for things like workout plans, motivational Instagram captions, and client onboarding emails. She listed it on Etsy for $15. Within 24 hours, she made her first sale. Within a week, she sold 18 copies. That's $270 for 2 hours of work. And it's still selling today. She didn't need a huge audience. She didn't need to run ads. She just created something useful and put it where people could find it. That's the power of this approach: speed and simplicity. So here's what I need you to do right now. Not tomorrow, not next week, right now. Pick one of the 3 methods I just shared. Just one. If you want fast cash, go with freelance content writing. Create that Fiverr or Upwork profile today. If you like the idea of passive income, create a prompt package and list it on Etsy or Gumroad tonight. If you want bigger payouts, reach out to 5 local businesses and offer them social media content calendars. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need a fancy setup. You just need to start. The difference between people who make money with this and people who don't isn't talent or luck. It's action. You have the tools. You have the blueprint. The only question is, are you going to take the first step today, or are you going to watch this video, nod your head, and do nothing? Because I promise you, someone else is watching this right now, and they're already opening ChatGPT. They're already creating their Fiverr profile. They're already messaging that first business. That could be you, so go do it. Start right now. Even if you just spend 20 minutes today setting things up, that's 20 minutes closer to making your first dollar. All right, let's wrap this up. You just learned 3 legitimate ways to turn ChatGPT into a money-making side hustle: freelance content writing, AI prompt packages, and social media management. All of these can get you paid within 24 hours if you take action today. This isn't hype. This isn't some far-off dream. This is real, actionable, proven. People are doing this every single day. And the best part, you're early. Most people still haven't figured out how powerful AI tools like ChatGPT are for making money that gives you a massive advantage right now. So don't overthink it. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Just start. Pick your method, open ChatGPT, and get to work. Your first $100 is waiting for you. Go grab it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.